I'm Mike Long. I'm a Mycology Diagnostician at Fera in York, and I diagnose plant diseases. We test all kinds of plants, anything from trees like Christmas trees, pumpkins, fruits, vegetables, any kind of crops, ornamentals, for a whole range of diseases, from commercial growers and the inspectors at the border and around the country. Growers may find that their crop is dying from something, and they will send in a sample of their crop for us to test, and we try and give them as sort of confident a answer as possible. So it's a lot of detective work, and it could be really useful for growers if their whole crop is dependent on getting rid of this disease. But we also get samples from the inspectors, the Plant Health and Seed Inspectorate, who are at the border, like at Heathrow, and they go round growers as well and take samples, and tree samples. So we get the sudden oak death survey, which is often on rhododendron and could be devastating for oak trees. I did a biology degree at Reading Uni, and I found the lectures on plants in first year really interesting. And I had never been that interested in plants before that, but I found it a new kind of exciting world, really. And then I got onto the Gatsby Plant Summer School in 2014, and there I did the pathology practical with Charles Lane, and I found that so inspiring, and it combined my interests in plants and microbiology. And it was so applied, and so I could see the fungal diseases around me suddenly, and I could understand it, and there was so much more to learn. And so I did a master's in plant pathology at Harper Adams University after I left uni, and then went into work as a plant scientist, and then found that I preferred working with dead plants to living ones, and went to work at Fera as an assistant scientist, and then got my job now as a mycology diagnostician. I would say that the most rewarding part of my job is the detective work. So you have no idea sometimes what a disease could be, if it could even be fungal. So you are being a detective and finding this out. And there are so many beautiful diseases, obviously devastating as well, out there. So it can be really rewarding finding these things under the microscope, the beautiful spores, and finding a very confident diagnosis at the end.